Unit 9 test questions. 51. A nurse is providing instruction to a client newly diagnosed with diabetes mellitus. The nurse gives the client light of the signs and hyperglycemia. Which of the following specific signs of this complication would be included on the list? 1. Decreased urine output. 2. Profuse sweating. 3. Increased thirst. 4. Shakiness. The correct answer is 3. Increased thirst. 52. A client with diabetes mellitus is prone to speak down fast for conversation to glucose. The nurse determines that this response currently is occurring if the client has elevated levels of which of the following substances? 1. Glucose. 2. Ketones. 3. Glucogen. 4. Lactic dehydrogenase. The correct answer is 2. Ketones. 53. A nurse in the healthcare clinic is reviewing the record of a client with diabetes mellitus who is seen by the physician. The nurse notes the physician has prescribed metformin which of the following pre-existing disorder. If noted in the client's record, would indicate a need to collaborate with the physician before instructing the client to take the medication. 1. Hypertension. 2. Food ulcer. 3. Emphysema. 4. Hypothyroidism. The correct answer is 3. Emphysema. 54. A nurse is conducting a health history on a client hyperparathyroidism. Which of the following questions made to the client would elicit from information about this condition? 1. Have you had problems with diarrhea lately? 2. Do you have tumors in your hands? 3. Are you experiencing pain in your joints? 4. Do you notice swelling in your legs at night? The correct answer is 3. Are you experiencing pain in your joints? 55. A test to measure long-term control of diabetes mellitus has been prescribed for a client. The nurse tells the client that long-term control can be measured because chronic high blood glucose level lead to irreversible glucose binding and to which of the following items? 1. Muscle tissue. 2. Adipose tissue. 3. Red blood cells. 4. Platelets. The correct answer is 3. Red blood cells. 56. A client with diabetes mellitus reports to the healthcare clinic for glucosilate hemoglobin A1C level. Which of the following laboratory results indicate client compliance with the prescribed diabetes regimen? 1. 5%, 2. 8%, 3. 10%, 4. 15%. The correct answer is 1. 5%. 57. A nurse in the healthcare clinic is reviewing the record of a client with diabetes mellitus who is seen by the physician. The nurse notes that the physician has prescribed acarbose. Which of the following pre-existing disorder, if noted in the client's record, would indicate a contraindication to the use of this medication? 1. Hypothyroidism. 2. Arterial insufficiency. 3. Renal insufficiency. 4. Coronary artery disease. The correct answer is 3. Renal insufficiency. 58. The nurse is instructing a client with Cushing syndrome on follow-up care. Which of these statements, if made by the client, would indicate a need for further instruction? 1. I should avoid contact sports. 2. I need to avoid food high in potassium. 3. I should check my ankles for swelling. 4. I need to check my blood glucose level regularly. The correct answer is 2. I need to avoid food high in potassium.